Okay, I wanted to do another problem for you, solved by graphing, but I wanted to show you some particular equations that students often have trouble with. Y equals x and y equals 3, because it looks like there's a lot of information missing from these problems. So what I want to do is show you how to handle situations like this. All right, let's start with y equals x. Okay. Well, if you look at this standard form of the slope-intercept, that is y equals mx plus b. But we're missing a bunch of information here. Well, first off, we can say that the m value would be the hidden 1 that you see in front of the x, and the b in this case is going to be plus 0. So by inserting those in, I can see that my slope is equal to 1, or 1 over 1, and my b value is 0. Okay, so to graph that, b equals 0, the y-intercept is 0, which is right there, and my slope is 1 over 1. So I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over, and I just continue until I get a series of dots that make a nice straight line. Take my straight edge, connect those dots, and this line is the graph you would get from y equals x. All right, so that's the first one. Now let's look at the next one. Y equals 3. Well, again, this is kind of difficult because it looks like there's some things missing. In particular, there's no x term. Well, watch what I do here. I'm going to rewrite it as y equals 0x plus 3. And see what I did is I put in a 0x term. 0 times anything would be 0. So this term would actually go away, and it would collapse and look like this. So y equals mx plus b. I can see that my intercept is 3, and I have a slope of 0. And if you remember from the last chapter, a slope of 0 when m equals 0 is a horizontal line. So we can graph that. I know it crosses the y-axis at 3. 1, 2, 3. And I know it's a horizontal line. So this right here, this line, would be the graph of y equals 3. And of course, what I'm really interested in is where those two lines intersect. They intersect right there, which is at point 3, comma 3. So the solution is 3, comma 3. Of course, I'll leave the checking to you, but good luck with those types of problems.